Hey everybody, it's Riff. How you doing out there? I hope everybody's doing great. Today I wanted to talk to you about something I've owned for a long time, actually several years. And being the time of year it is, being winter and all, you can't really get out and, run the stuff you want to run. And, you're still looking for some indoor fun or whatever. And, I had this model and I've had a blast with it. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I don't, it got a lot of attention when it came out, but it's been around a while now and a lot of people have forgotten about it, but it's still available and it's a great little truck. It's the GP Toys S608 four-wheel drive 1/24th little monster truck. It's a blast. This thing is so torquey. It's if you pull the trigger on carpet, if you pull the trigger back all the way, it'll just backflip over, onto its back. It's just got so much torque. It's fast, it's fun, and it's got a surprising amount of weight, for something so small. It's made very, very well, very quality. And I have smacked this thing into everything imaginable, and it's never broken. It's like a little tank, and it's so much fun. And that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. It's also known as the HBX, or Hyboxing 2138 Fire Runner. Both are the exact same truck, just different names. And all of the parts for this thing are available. You can go to the HBX website and they have everything. The bodies, the arms, the springs, every nut, bolt, tire, rim, motor, ESC, everything you need for this thing is available and in stock. But I wanted to give you guys a little look at it. There's the motor with the little heat sink on it. It runs on two little 3.7 800 milliamp Li-ion batteries, and it's just an amazing little truck. The way these batteries they look about the size of a AA, but they are not, don't try to run AA's in this thing. Use the proper batteries. But wanted to pull these out. They have these little side covers that just pop off. It holds them in really well, by the way. I've never had them pop off while I was driving or anything. Doing all kinds of flips and everything else. Here's what the batteries look like. I don't know if I can get that to focus or not for you, but that's what they look like. And they supply you with this nice little charger. You just pop them in there, and the lights light up red while they're charging, and they turn green when they're done. It's really nice. There's no guesswork. It's just straight up, you know when they're done. Just pop them in there like that. It's a really nice, well-made truck, and like I said, you'll be surprised if you get one of the weight of it. It's so solid and well made. It's got a nice little body. It also comes with a whole bunch of stickers, a big sticker sheet that lets you customize it however you like, and it also has a drawstring, like a velvet drawstring bag that comes with it. I don't know, you can keep the battery charger in it if you want, or the remote or whatever, but it had that little extra with it, the sticker sheet and the Oh, and it also has two little Hot Wheels or Matchbox type cars as a little bonus gift that came with it also. I forgot to mention that. I don't have mine. I gave them away to a relative, but yeah, it also came, you know, it comes with the truck, the charger, the remote, the big sticker sheet, the velvet drawstring bag, and two little Matchbox style cars or Hot Wheels style cars as a little bonus gift, which I thought was really nice. And this thing is still available. Now, when it first came out, it was around, I think, $80 or $90, right around there. And now you can pick it up for, you know, it's at GearBest right now for $68, $63. On the High Boxing site, they sell it for like $76. And depending on where you go on the internet, it varies. You can get these things as low as like 40 or 50 bucks up to 70 or 80, just depending on where you go. But the average price right now is right around $70, and it's worth it because this thing is a tank. You know, it doesn't have, you know, like oil-filled shocks, but it's the shocks it has are pretty balanced for the weight of this vehicle, you know, so it's a lot of fun, and they do a good job. But this thing is fast. It's like I said, it's a little tank, and you can just flip it, jump it, and have a ball with it, backward and forward. It's just a riot. Now I'll show you the remote. This is the remote that comes with it. It's a nice little remote. It's got actual, like, this is not rubber, but it's got like a rubberized kind of coating on it. And it takes 2 AA batteries. Slide in there. And it works great. It is fully proportional, you know, everything you'd expect. And as far as like repairing it and stuff, like I said, it's hot, you know, it's hobby grade, really. You can get everything. They sell the diffs, the arms, every piece of this truck is sold. Everything. Every screw, every tire, every rim, every spring, shock, motor, ESC, arms, steering servo, anything you can think of, they have it, and it is in stock. They have all of the spares for this. So from that aspect, it is hobby grade, even though it is still kind of a, what I would say, tobby grade. You know, it's kind of between toy and hobby, but it does lean a little more towards hobby because it does have all the replacement parts. Now that's just what I wanted to show you today. I'm going to try to take a couple of quick little shots of it, you know, jumping here on the carpet or something, but that's about it. So we'll take a quick look at that and get back with you. Hey everybody, it's Riff again. I hope you enjoyed that quick little discussion and talk about this little GP Toys S608. And like I said, I've had it for a few years, and being the time of year it is, if you want something, especially this is really suitable if you've got like a larger basement or a larger family room, you know, that you have some room where you can really let this thing rip. You're gonna have a ball with this thing, because like I said, it's fast and it has a lot of torque. And if you got a room big enough to run these things comfortably, you could get a couple of them and have races and just go to town. You'd be playing with them for hours. And oh, that's the other thing, the run time on this is long too. It's probably like 30 or 40 minutes. You know, that's really incredible considering how small those batteries are. And it's a fun, great little truck. And you know, it sits up on my shelf, and I usually get it out about this time of year, every year when I start getting stuck indoors. And I wanted to share it with you guys. Like I said, it's a great little truck, and it's been out for a while, so I'm sure people are not really talking a lot about it now. When it first came out several years ago, there was a zillion videos about it because it was really popular, because it's such a good little truck. And that's why I wanted to bring it back and show you guys and make anybody that's not aware of it, because it's a fun little truck. And so I hope you like that. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned, there's always more to come.